Good morning students, welcome to Narayana live classes. Today we are going to discuss about 8th class physics topic kinematics assignment number 40. So let's see the questions. First question, when a body is projected vertically upward. So when a body is projected vertically upwards, its velocity at the highest point is, students, if this is the ground, and from the ground whenever we project a body with a velocity u, and after reaching to the maximum height, so at h max its final velocity will become 0. That's why when your body is projected vertically upward, its velocity at the highest point is 0. So third option is correct. So let's see the second question. A body is projected vertically upward with a velocity u. Its velocity at half of its maximum height is. So according to the equation of motion, v square minus u square is equal to 2as. And when a body is projected from the ground, suppose if this is an object which is projected with a velocity u, so let us take it has reached a maximum height h. At maximum height its final velocity is 0. And as we know that the maximum height attained by the body can be found out by using the formula h is equal to u square by g. 2g, sorry, h is equal to u square by 2g. Now at half of the maximum height we need to find out its velocity. So let's find out the velocity by substituting the e values as v square minus initial velocity is u square is equal to, since the body is going in upward direction, so its acceleration is equal to a, that is equal to minus g. So minus 2g, and the displacement is given as half of its maximum height. So in the place of s we need to take it as h by 2. So 2 and 2 gets cancelled. Then we are having v square minus u square is equal to minus g into, in the place of h you have to take this one, since we know that h is equal to u square by 2g. So let's substitute u square by 2g. Now g and g gets cancelled. By taking the u value to other side, then we will get it as v square is equal to minus u square by 2 plus u square. So by taking the LCM, then we will get it as u square is equal to minus u square plus 2u square by 2. So v square value is, that is equal to u square by 2. Now if you want to apply the root on both sides, then we will get it as v. So v is equal to u by root 2. So this is the final velocity at half of its maximum height. So according to this, fourth option is correct. So let's go with the next question. If a body is projected vertically up from the top of a tower of height h with a velocity u, its maximum height above the ground is. So students, if this is a tower of height h and this is the ground, so let us take this is a tower, so which is having a height h, and from this tower whenever we have projected a body with a velocity u, okay, and it reached the ground. Now from the ground, if you want to find what is the maximum height, so this is the reference line about which we have projected the body in vertically upward direction. So the maximum height reached by the body from the point of projection, so this one is, as you know that, let us take it as h dash is equal to u square by 2g. And from the ground, if you want to find out the total height, so the total height is, so let's find out the net height, that is equal to h plus h dash. So this is equal to h plus height of the tower plus maximum height reached by the body, it is nothing but u square by 2g. So the total height from the ground is h plus u square by 2g. According to this, second option is correct. Let's go with the next question. Fourth one. A body is thrown upward and rises to a maximum height of 10 meters. So he has given the h value, so h is equal to 10 meters. Then the value of velocity with which the body was thrown upward is, and acceleration due to gravity value is, that is 9.8 meter per second square. Okay, and they are asking to find out the velocity. So if you want to find out the velocity with which the body has been thrown in vertical upward direction, we are having a formula v is equal to root 2gh. So by substituting the values, you can find out 2 into 9.8 into h value 10. So this is equal to root 196. So that is equal to 14 meter per second. So second option is correct. Thank you.